Hello friends, welcome to our Rockstar Virat Pawar YouTube channel. We had learned previously a basket full of moonlight chit chat section and explanation section. If you have don't see that video, please go and check in our YouTube channel 1.3 basket full of moonlight chit chat and explanation video so that you can solve this English workshop of basket full of moonlight very perfectly. Now see, this is a question first. Complete the following sentences with the help of the poem. You have to complete the sentence with the help of the poem. There are some lines are given. We have to complete that lines from the poem. See, the child want to show small moons of light from and. The answer is the child want to show small moons of light from the city to village. From city to village, he want to show the small moons of light and on the other side of the path. Now, next one is according to the child, the route of his village is tough and full of. What is the route of the village is tough and full of? According to the poem given by the poet, according to the child, the route of his village is tough and full of snakes and scorpions. It has various snakes and scorpions on the route. Now, next line is the child want to a basket full of moonlight on. Answer is the child wants a basket full of moonlight on loan. We have learned in our previous video. So I will not explain it now. Next question is the child wants to light the dark route so that his dash dash dash. Answer is the child wants to light the dark route so that his father returns early. Now, next question is question number 2. Write down the describing words used for the following nouns. You have to write the describing words which are used for the nouns that are question number first is dash dash moon. In the poem it is used as small moons. Second one is dash dash route, dark route. Third one noun is used as village and answer will be whole village. Then next word is used as dash dash morning and it is used, the word is used to describe morning is early morning. Now we will solve the question number 3rd. See, the child in the poem wants to solve the problem of his village. How can the child solve them with the following wishes? Answer in your notebook. You have to answer how the child want to solve his problem of village of that dark route which was full of scorpions and snakes. See, give me a moonlight basket full or 2 basket full with seeds of moonlight. These lines are used in the poem. The answer is according to the above line, the child wishes for seeds of moonlight. It shows the child desired to light the dark path to his village with a lot of moonlight. He wants grow the moonlight so that it permanently solves the problem of the villagers. Now see B line from the poem. I want to light the dark route so that my father returns early. In this line, the poet want to describe according to above line, the child wishes to make his father's journey easier and faster. He can, with the help of the villagers, build good roads so that his father and other villagers can return safe and early to their village. See, question number 4 is given like pick out and write the lines from the poem that prove the following. What is proved? See, father reaches home late after dark. Answer is when my father return home I am asleep. Next one is eager to hear fairy tales from his father. Answer is I too want to hear fairy tales and stories from him. The next one is remove darkness. The next one is remove darkness and bringing light among the darker path. Answer is I want to light the dark route so that my father returns early. The next question we going to solve is like see, write as many as word as you can using full as suffix. You have to use FUL full as a suffix. I have made a video previously about how to use or make a new word by using prefix and suffix. What is difference between prefix and suffix? I also stated in that. So you have to see that video so that you can utilize it very good way. Answer is bagful, handful, colorful, mouthful, spoonful, sackful, pocketful, houseful, beautiful, scornful, delightful and successful. Now see, question number 6 is pick out the example of alliteration and repetition from the poem. I had given a video on the alliteration figure of speech previously. If you don't see that video, please see that video. Alliteration is the repetition of sound and repetition is the repetition of word. See, various examples are in the poem about of the alliteration figure of speech. See here, O moon, give me a basket full of moonlight on loan. Second one is the root is tough and full of snakes and scorpions. Third one is I want to sow seeds of moon on the sides of the path. Okay, the next one is repetition. Repetition has the figure of speech like this. I want to sow many small moons of light. Okay, I will explain how it is coming. O moon, give me a basket full of moonlight on loan. Here is a repetition of sound. O moon, moon, and give me a basket full of moon on loan. And in the other sentence also, the root is tough and full of snakes and scorpions. Okay, the third one is I want to sow seeds of moon. Here is sow, see, is the sound repeated. Okay, that's why it is a alliteration. And in the last line, I want to sow many small. Here is the word repeated small. That's why this is a figure of speech is called as repetition. In this way, we solve this question. Now we will go to solve the next question. Question number 9. Discuss with your friends, brother, sister, your classmate and write your list of wishes to make your village, town, city people happy. You can use the following words. The words are greet, wish, share, talk, help, cooperate, communicate, and answer is like that. My best wish to make our city people happy. I wish people share their problems with each other. Then I wish people focus on hard work and honesty. Third point is I wish to provide all modern facilities to people like electricity, good roads, water supply, etc. And fourth one will be I wish people understand each other. Okay. Next one will be the sentence number fifth. I wish people cooperate with each other. Sixth one is I wish people maintain peace in the society. Seventh one is I wish people keep their surrounding clean and healthy and become environmentally conscious. Okay. Now question number 10th is given as let's compose imaginary poetic lines. Which is imaginary poetic lines? That lines we made by ourselves or by our personal thinking way. See, sowing the seeds of moonlight, I shall wait for them to grow. Traveling among stars in galaxy, we shall learn the whole of them, their residence and their work. My dreams will put off on a snow. See, in this way we compose an imaginary poetic line. In this way we had completed our workshop section of a basket full of moonlight. If you like the video, please comment in the comment box so that I will get motivated and I will make some more videos which will be helpful for you for practicing, learning and for 10th exam preparation of English. Okay, bye then.